Is food next to this?
I will search.
Yeah, sure.
You should.
Go like this.
Let's go.
Not yet. We're gonna go pick up. We got some Thai food. I got green curry. What'd you get?
Fried rice with basil.
Of course, gohan. So he loves her gohan. So we got that. Then we also got tapioca, right?
Yeah, tapioca.
Okay. We're gonna pick that up, and then we're gonna try to find a park. Was it neat?
Mini.
It looks like so much pollen in the air.
Yeah.
You're gonna be okay.
That's
Tonight.
yeah, tonight. Me snoring.
Right. There's your window.
So we can see the pollen. I think they're pollen.
I think it is pollen too. You alright back there, buddy?
Too excited.
I'm ready to do something. Hopefully there's nobody at the beach so we can let him run something. Be loco for a little bit. Just like his mom.
No. I'm not loco.
You sure?
I'm sure. For sure.
Fuji,
No, this.
Mama loco. Hey, Fuji,
No.
don't give me a kiss if Mama's loco. He didn't give me a kiss. I can't believe all this sucker is going now.
Aww. A few days.
Yeah. At least we got to go yesterday and see. You got some pictures, didn't you?
Ah,
On your
yeah.
phone? Alright,
Some
Misaki will
pictures.
put some pictures on there for you. After Corona, first we need to go to Misaki.
Yeah. I think here. Here. Here.
Purple.
Not
目的
purple.
地は左側です。
Where are
お
park?
疲れ様で
I
した。
don't know. Maybe here.
Yeah.
Car?
Car?
Slide this. Sign? Hey. Yes. Food get though.
Is it still warm or was it kind of cold?
What?
The food?
Food? Warm. So every day we can see jets. It's so loud.
Yeah. One day you gotta come on base and actually watch them close. So every year, except for maybe this year, they do air show in August, I believe.
Oh?
Or is it September?
I thought it's September.
It seems like all of Tohoku comes to Misawa to watch it.
Yeah.
Because it's
True.
so many people on base.
Wow, Dusty! Wow, so bad.
That was bad. So we just look down the road over there and you just see, you can't even see past all the dust.
So brown.
Yeah, that was bad. So yeah, it's really cool being able to come to your show and see everything. There's a bunch of like people that put tents up and they'll sell different food and different things. It's a good time.
What do you recommend food? American food?
During the air show, they have turkey legs.
Wow.
So it's like big piece of meat. They take a chicken leg and then just add a lot more to it. And they're very delicious. They sell really quick and there's really long lines to get it, but I'd recommend it. And then again, you can get the hamburgers, pizzas, but the hamburgers are going to be frozen meat that they just put on the grills. This road? This way? No?
No road.
It's a road. Here we go. Misaki, did I find out where we were going? Do you think I took the wrong turn?
Can I take out?
Yes.